that happen. So we're just going to slip this right in. Whoops, I got turned around the wrong way. So we'll slip this right in there, and the girls will find her. All right, girls, incoming. Okay, that's that part of the journey. Now, the next part of the journey is to take this box, which has about 3 pounds of bees in it, and we're going to remove this top, and then we're going to reorient them. And then we're going to shake them in to the box. And we're going to put the empty box out in front of the hive. A sweat bee came along for the ride. Okay, now, just to help them along a little bit, we're going to get them away from the edge of the hive. Try and encourage them to find their mama so we can close this up. Okay, now I'm going to put this inner cover in to make them more closed in. Where's our smoker? A little bit of smoke will help encourage them to go down. It's not very hot, just a little bit.
For now, Mr. Donald?
Hmm?
You think it's better if you don't put that one for now, just leave all the bees in?
Yeah, that's why I want to get them out of the way so they don't get squished.
But if you don't pull it now, just leave it right there for now.
Well, the sooner they get closed in and ready, I'm not going to do both sides, but I want to do that much. And then I think I'm just going to let them live with that a little bit. And we'll put that other lid in soon. Okay, hive number 1 is mostly done. Reach over here so you can get a shot of the front. It wasn't a bee that got me, it was the screen stuck me. Yeah, so the bees will find their way in. There will soon occur some degree of fanning probably, but you see how many bees are just from that one package moving all around, and they're getting oriented. So we want them to settle down before we put another hive in too close. And out of an abundance of caution, we're going to close this hive so they don't decide to take up residence in here while they're getting oriented. Okay.